Is your skin looking nasty? Just ew. Are you breaking out? Try everything in the market and nothing works? I got a solution for you. Before you give up, try a probiotic facial cleanser. I choose OOMMI. On days when my skin is acting up, I use the Acne Oily Skin Foamy Cleanser. Formulated from a powerful blend of life beneficial microbes, cultured using an advanced Japanese technology, the natural formulation with added probiotics and glycerin gently eliminates acne-causing bacteria and oils, removes dirt, makeup, and impurities to fight acne while hydrating and restoring balance to your skin's microbiome. While the foaming cleanser is great for all skin types, young or mature, it improves skin's complexion and skin elasticity with anti-aging effects. Both are gentle enough for daily use. Follow with your other skincare routine. Oh, it feels great!